Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your background in Google Meeting. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Meet and I'm going to show you how we can change our background. Wait, I'm going to turn on my camera. Okay, and if we want to change background, we can click on the three dots or more options and then select the apply visual effect. Okay, and since we want to change our background, we can go to the background section right here, and then you just need to choose the background you want to apply to your camera. Okay, for example, I'm gonna go with this background guys. Here you can also apply border and then change your appearance, but I'm just going to apply background only. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change background in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!